Oh, it's doing the video now.
Okay.
All right. Looking good. Driver. Oh boy, almost. Ease it up. There you go. There you go. You're doing it, man. Nice. Caleb takes his own line. Way too close. Making it look easy. Nice work. Now, go high to the left and I pivot on that rock right there. You might not have to, but I do. Looking good. That Detroit in the back's doing its job. Nice. You got it. You got it. He's getting a little scared. Let me come over here and guide him. You're good. Your slider's gonna plant right here and it's gonna pivot you. Right. Yeah, you're cool. You're not gonna roll. There you go. Tank mode. Tank mode. There it is. He's out. He's free. Nice.